It's Shark Bites Philly, and today I'm out here at Chubbys Steaks. I'm going to try out this cheesesteak and see where it stands. It's a seeded Amoroso roll. I got Cooper Sharp fried onions, ribeye. Yeah, boy. Let's dive in. Okay, Chubbys. This thing is pretty fucking good. Make sure, if you do stop at Chubbys, get a beer and a cheesesteak. The perfect combo. Sit down, enjoy yourself. They got more hospitality at Chubbys than they do at D'Alessandro's. They know what they're doing here at Chubbys. It's been in business for a long time. Y'all know that. Cheesesteak right here. This is a 7.8. So where should I go next?